what's up, guys? So it's been like 3-4 days since the Mustang hasn't turned on. I already have cables on it. So the alternators is, I just checked it with the digital like electric meter or whatever it's called, the O meter, and it's telling me 12 volts the battery. So it's cranking. I have my cables on there for like a minute or two. I'm gonna see if it'll turn on. No. It has gas touching the, barely getting on there. I could make it to the gas station if it would turn on, but I don't know. The alternator, it's just not working. The oil goes straight up. Damn. I wonder what it could be, guys. It has to be the alternator. But then I'm putting cables. You wouldn't think it would turn on, right? But then if the alternator's messed up, it probably wouldn't. And maybe that cable that I wrapped. I'm gonna try one more time. All the lights turn on. I'm thinking it has to be the alternator. There was nothing else wrong with it when I put the diagnostic machine. It has oil. Maybe the spark plugs are foul, and it's not cranking over. It could be a bunch of things. I'm gonna just check spark plugs, guys, and go through everything. But today, I'm actually gonna put the bumper on. Sorry, I was burping. Excuse me. Yeah, check it out. I got it back here. I'm gonna put it on, guys, and everything. I got the riveter. I want to show you guys. I bought one. 19 bucks at Harbor Freight. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna put that bumper on. I wanted to move it over there, guys. You know, but it doesn't want to turn on. And it did that the last time. It didn't want to turn on. No. And then I put cables and it turned on. But this time it doesn't. So I'm thinking the alternator finally died. But let me pause it because I don't have a tripod again. Alright, guys, this is the tool, guys. You know what? Let me get the box. Guys, I'm so sorry I had you upside down. But this is the tool. It does up to 1/4. So, and I already opened it. These are the instructions. Let's see. This is what the tool looks like, guys. There's different sizes. One right there, which is red. There's another one that's yellow. Well, the red one, let's see. It is a 3/35, 2.4. I'm gonna say that's millimeters. And then the yellow one is a 4.8, which would be a, was it 3/16? 3/16, and the other one is a 1/8. 1/8, 3.2. And the one I'm using now is a 4.0. I'm gonna say that's a 5/32. Yeah, I'm gonna read the instructions, guys, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. I guess it's simple. It's put it in there. The hole's already made right there. And let me take that apart too. All right, guys. It's gonna go on like this. This is how you put it on. If not, I'm gonna have to go buy more of these. I'm thinking you put it flush. don't think I did it right. Nope. Whoa. Oh, it's one of those squeezy a bunch of timesies. Okay, one more, guys. One more. I look kind of like, what the hell are you doing? You don't know what you're doing. Oh, a lighter. You know? Show it. All right. So I guess you put it on there like that. It was not the blue one, guys. I put it over there. It was the 4.8 would be the 3/16. So you put it in there like that. Just like that. And you squeeze a bunch of times. And then it pops. It's freaking on there. Awesome. Alright guys, check it out. Let me move the truck real quick. Check it out, guys. Check it out. It needs the lights. I got those at the house. The hood, I might sand it and try to paint it. Looking good. I need to get the bolts from the house, guys. I forgot them, but it's on there. Once I paint this hood a little bit, it's just gonna get ugly anyways, because I'm leaving it like that. I'm not gonna paint it gloss or nothing. Look at the car. The car is just bad. It's just so I can drive and shit. Oh, I thought somebody was revving it. It was that dude truck. Yeah, so you know, it's and right now I don't want to turn on. I'm gonna have to do some research on how to use that machine, because they told me it was 12. I don't know if it's supposed, I think it's supposed to be 14, guys. I don't think it's supposed to be 12. I'm trying to get the keys out of my pocket so I can turn it on to see if maybe it'll turn on. Let's see. Nope. It's probably going to be the alternator, guys, or the battery. The battery's from 2017. You're supposed to change the battery every 4 years. If you guys didn't know, like, you're supposed to change it every 4 years. The alternator, who knows when. I've never changed it when I owned the car. The car's been sitting there at the apartment. You guys seen it. You guys seen it there when I'm working on the Mustang. I mean on the truck, and it's just there. Since 2017, I haven't touched it. And all this time, it was the key. So stuff's going bad on it, you know. And the alternator from Rock Auto, guys, it was too late for me to return it. I was trying to get the paper, and I got it too late. I got it too late. I didn't have a printer. I had to print it out on a printer, and you have to have like a whole office and stuff to like do that. And I don't got no printer or nothing like that. And it just took a while, and it was too late. So I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere where I can get it rebuilt. Shouldn't be that much, hopefully. Like I did the starter on the truck. And the battery, guys, save like, I think at Walmart they're like $70 or something like that. But they don't have no warranty. But you know, I need that right now because I don't have no battery, and the battery is from 2017, of September 2017. Yeah. So yeah, I'm back at square one again. It's not turning on, and it's the alternator, because last time I put charge and it was like 2 days, maybe 3 days since I haven't turned it on. And it didn't want to turn on. It was doing the same thing, and I was like, what the heck? And I put cables, like I was saying right now. I think I already told you this, guy. And it turned on. And today was the 4th day. Like, it was already like too much. And maybe me taking it to like the AutoZone and O'Reilly's maybe charged it some freakishly way and woke it up like, oh shit. And it worked for right there and then. It worked right there and then. I put cables and it still doesn't want to work. It cranks faster, so I don't know what it is. I am gonna check the spark plugs, guys, and see what it is. And then after that, did I even bring I don't got a socket for the spark plug, guys. I think it's a 3. I don't even know the size. The blue box, the tool set that I have is at the apartment, so I'm gonna have to come tomorrow, or maybe today's Friday, October 8th. It is 3:34. It's kind of hot too. It's really hot. It's like 90. The humidity is like maybe 50. There's no clouds today, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna stop for today, guys, because I can't mess with the spark plugs. And this video's already going like 10 minutes. This is actually a bumper video. This was not even we're gonna, ooh, look at that. Ooh, we're gonna pass it. Oh, it already passed. It was a low truck. Let's see if we can see it. Ooh, badass. Yeah, but that's next video is gonna be me diagnosing. I remember there was a lot of sud around this bank. Number one had a lot of sud around it, and this bank, like, I don't know if it's 1, 2, or 3, but for right now, so we can know where we're at. Let's go with 1, 2, and 3. These 3 had a lot of sud, guys, and I'm thinking the head gasket. The codes it was throwing would be HTC, which is the O2 sensor's not working. I need to change those 2. I got those right now. What I'm gonna do is wait for that tool. I got the tool here. I might change that, but first I'm gonna change the spark plugs, and then I'm gonna do that on the other video, because today's video, guys, was the bumper and stuff, and I got it in. I installed it. I hope it doesn't get ugly, you know, because the sun right now, the car's facing east. That way is north. Actually, that way is north, that way is south, and then towards over there's west. So the sun rises like that, and I didn't want to put it on, but the box is so big. Look how big the box is. It takes the whole bed of the truck. It actually fits in the bed of the truck, and it was in the apartment. It's taking too much room, so I just came and put it on and stuff, and sadly to say, the car doesn't even want to turn on. So I'm gonna have to look into a new battery and an alternator. And I guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.